I'm trying to find Australia's favourite egg dish from some of the most popular egg dishes from all around the world. Could it be this? Turkey's change up to your regular poached eggs in the morning. This is Cilbir. This is a really simple dish. Just some poached eggs served on top of some garlic yogurt and then topped with a few other things. Some chili infused butter and a touch of dill. I want to start with my yogurt first. This is some thick yogurt, but I want to make it a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to put it into a sieve with some cheesecloth in there. You could skip this step, but I like the yogurt to be kind of as thick as possible. The extra texture that you get from that thicker yogurt is really, really nice. The excess moisture from the yogurt will just sort of drip through there, and you don't want to put this in the fridge because we're going to be putting warm eggs onto the yogurt. So if the yogurt's cold, it's going to cool your eggs down. You can warm the yogurt if you want to, but I think room temperature is totally fine. Now the garlic for the yogurt. A couple of cloves of garlic, just roughly chop them. And this is my trick for getting the garlic really fine. A bit of salt over the top. Chop it into the salt for a little bit. Then using the flat of the knife, really kind of squish the garlic and salt together. If you're using a good flake salt, the salt will actually help break the garlic up, and you get a lovely salty garlic paste that we can stir through the yogurt. Here's my garlic paste. Put that aside and wait for my yogurt to finish hanging. Now for the butter, just some regular butter. And this is chili powder. Traditionally this will use Aleppo pepper or even paprika. I'm going to use a touch of chili powder. I want that extra heat, but you just want to add some color to this butter. I'll melt the butter on the stove, add the pepper, turn off the heat and let that infuse. And of course, our poached eggs. Let me show you how to poach an egg. All right, there's a million different ways to poach eggs. You can do it in the microwave, you can do it in an egg poach, you can do it in a frying pan of water with a centimetre in the bottom, you can do it in a small pot. I'm going to show you the way that I like to poach eggs, and it's actually not all that difficult. Two things that are important. You actually need a big pot, kind of a tall pot, so that the egg can fall down into the water. Secondly, you want one of these. You don't want to crack your egg straight in, just increases the degree of difficulty. Crack your egg into a bowl and then drop it into the water. And probably most importantly, you don't want the water to be too vigorous. Eggs are very delicate things, so if the water's boiling and bubbling away, you're going to break apart your egg. We're going to stir this into a whirlpool, and you don't want that to be too vigorous either. You just want the egg to slowly wrap around itself rather than get caught up in a tornado. So, gentle water, just a couple of bubbles coming to the top, gentle whirlpool, and then gently lay your egg into the water. You don't need to add anything to your water. No salt, no vinegar. The vinegar that people add to it is usually just for flavour. It doesn't do much for the egg at all. Poach your eggs for about 3 minutes for a nice soft yolk. But to be honest, you can see what's happening in the pot. So just take it out when you think it's done. All right, eggs are poached, butter's infused, and the yogurt has finished draining. I'll just flavour the yogurt first. We've got this really nice, thick and creamy texture. You can hang that for longer if you want to, but it's not hugely necessary. Our garlic into the yogurt, a touch of extra salt as well. It is really nice to get that kind of a little bit of bitterness from the garlic, the saltiness from the salt obviously, and also that sourness of the yogurt. So, into a bowl. A few spoons of the room temperature yogurt onto the plate. Make a bit of a nest in the middle for the eggs. And I'll drop in the warm poached eggs. Touch of salt for the eggs. A bit of chopped dill too. This is just something I like to do. You could use parsley if you just leave it off. This lovely spiced butter as well. This really is delicious stuff. Cilbir, Turkish poached eggs. You're definitely going to want to try this one for breakfast. And don't forget to vote for your favourite egg dish too.